Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to do the coffee challenge, the
Dalgona coffee, which is like taking the world by storm right now, and since it's like the circuit breaker period in Singapore and we cannot travel, we cannot do staycation, so let's do something interesting today.
Yeah, it's very simple. The ingredient is just sugar, instant coffee, warm water, lukewarm water, and then fresh milk and ice. That's it. Yeah. So what we're going to do is that today we're going to try to make it who can make the coffee ASAP, and then loser will get to draw the face. Yeah.
I have a feeling I will lose.
So yep, let's start it.
Okay.
Very simple. So let's see. So because everyone have their own portion of the for the coffee, but so I think I should let Sean start first, so I can get more chances to win.
I would just take like 2.5 spoonful.
Okay, so for me, what I do is like 2 teaspoons of the instant coffee and then 4 teaspoons of the sugar.
4 teaspoons?
Yeah, a lot of sugar.
That's a lot. Is it too much?
I believe that more sugar will help it to make it more creamier.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put like, because I like my coffee
Strong.
Yeah. So I want like 2.5 or so.
Okay, let's put the sugar and the
aside, right?
Yeah. And then please be honored to put the water. So it's the key point is like when you put too much of water, you'll be diluted. It's gonna be very difficult to form the coffee. And
yes.
Then
yesterday I tried Milo Dalgona. I failed terribly.
Okay.
I kept adding the powder.
So there's a tips because we did that earlier, so you have to like tilted the bowl a little bit, it'll be easier for you. Let's start it. Do you want more water?
Hang on. Oh, I think I'm gonna fail.
Oh.
I think I need more.
See, mine is like a lot of bubbles already.
Please, can I have more water?
麻烦了呀 Go ahead, Elsa.
Oh no! Help! Help!
So for some of y'all didn't know about us, that actually, Sean is the one who know how to bake very well, and I am the one who can prepare food better than him.
Yeah, but ever since he told New Zealand trip like that, I can actually do it as well. Because it's the driver. And if you all haven't checked out our New Zealand cattle band blog, please go and do so. Yeah, it's very interesting. We missed the New Zealand road trip actually.
Yeah.
And we hope to go back again very soon.
I think today will be a beautiful day for me.
Yeah, Dalgona coffee or no Dalgona coffee is always a beautiful day.
So what the people Chinese call it 400 times of coffee, which means that you have to beat it 400 times to form the cream.
I think people call it Dalgona 400.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Tired.
Hey, I did HIIT this morning, okay. My arms are like aching.
What you did?
HIIT.
Oh. Do you need more sugar?
I don't know.
Yeah, show the This is mine.
Mine looks like is it the sugar?
I told you.
I don't know. Okay, can I have more sugar, please?
You might need to add 3 teaspoons of sugar.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Ah, my arm's tired.
I may not do. I may not do. Thanks to HIIT. See?
Oh! So which means they have to put more instant coffee and more sugar. Oh, so tiring. Okay, mine is ready.
Dalgona 400. I think it's 700 now. 800. 900. 1000. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
My armpit is wet. So the reason why we have some ice cube is to actually help the coffee to float a little bit more. So beautiful.
Hey, actually it's not bad. Although has a very strong hint of coffee.
We watch a videos as a lady just I use a finger to hook up the cream. It was so funny to watch.
Yeah.
Sean and us we are laughing out.
You want to know who the lady is?
No need. We don't want to create enemy.
Very petty. Yeah, I promise to make some for somebody. But I think not enough, like how?
You can make again.
Oh no!
So this is my coffee.
Wait. Mine is akan datang. I need to do it nicely.
I'm not sure. I mean, y'all can judge. Leave a comment that who is better, which coffee that is more appetizing to you. Mine is more like cappuccino, and then Sean's looks a little bit more creamier, like ice cream.
Yeah,
I think if you freeze it, it will be a very nice ice cream though.
Oh yeah,
huh?
That's a good.
Then you can make it like a what?
I just
If you drop it, I'm gonna whack out you. So how like this?
I need to scrape out the.
Oh, then I can wait for you.
Alright, thank you. And then I'll hijack your spoon.
And like, try not to wear white color when you make this because that all the coffee is actually spilled all.
No, you just need to wear an apron.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I do have apron.
Yeah.
I bought it
from Venice.
Venice. Like, I give a lot to our friends. Yeah, this is one of the aprons that I have. Oh, actually, it looks nicer. Actually, you should wear this because that you'll be in green color.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Faster.
Alright. Oops.
So
How do I look?
Yeah, better. Yeah, at least you have not transparent. you got 4 nipples. So yeah, it will create a lot of mess and then
Actually not really very messy then. We try to control it.
Yeah.
So it's still not so bad. And it's fun.
It's very tiring.
I can still do it again.
Okay. So this is ours.
See mine. It's like, ice cream. Oh my god. I need to take a picture. Can you pass me my camera?
Sorry.
So excited.
It's very creamy. I like it.
Maybe we should try each other's. How about that?
Okay.
Frame it nicely. 1, 2, 3. Look at the lens. 1, 2, 3. No, camera. I think it's mastered one. There we both are IG. Oh, the portrait is fine. So our IG audience can also. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh,
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's very sweet.
Oh, mine is very good. Nom, nom, nom.
I think because that Sean's the coffee is like way too creamy, it don't really mix up to the milk with the milk. So when you drink it, you might stir it if you make a very creamy coffee like this.
Yeah, and the good thing about creamy coffee is you can taste the coffee aroma.
And I like mine, not because I made it, because it's actually like you really can see the difference. It mix up the milk very well. Of course, like, if you want it to be more,
you just give it a good stir.
Just stir it a little bit.
But I prefer it this way. You can actually
enjoy,
appreciate the Dalgona.
赏心悦目.
The Dalgona floating on top of the milk, which is like perfect, right?
So a lot of people they don't like instant coffee. But what we do is that when we stay in the hotel, we always take the instant coffee, and then it can be very useful now. And there are some news in Malaysia. So a lot of people they like overdo with the coffee with caffeine, and then they were admitted to ICU. So if you can't take caffeine, maybe you can try replace with other item. Matcha can be done, but Milo maybe you need to add more sugar.
Or maybe you should.
We can see from earlier that Sean's the coffee was not foam out. So after you add on more sugar, so sugar is the key.
So actually, sugar is the key. So now I learned because this is like the second time that I'm doing it.
And failed twice? No, you made it once.
Yeah,
the first time.
Once when I did the Milo Dalgona.
The very first one he made it because I'm the one to mix up the coffee and sugar.
Yeah, then he was the one who made the first Dalgona for me when I was studying, before the craze actually spread worldwide. And then I was like looking at the thing, and then I was wondering what the is this. Then when I scoop it out and then I start to eat it, right? Because he didn't give me the milk, he just gave me the Dalgona coffee.
No, with the almond.
Okay. So it feels like I'm eating ice cream, and then when I put it in my mouth, right, it just like disintegrate. There's no volume. Yeah. So
if I make it like creamy like this, you might know what is that about, right? Okay. End of the video.
Thank you so much for watching. And
hope y'all can try it.
And if you actually do the Dalgona successfully, right, why don't you just share it with us on Instagram
and tag us?
Yeah,
we'll give you a mark.
Yes.
Yeah, I can be very judgmental.
Yeah, share on your IG story, tag us, or you can share on your Instagram post and tag us. If you don't know what our Instagram is, look at our end credits and then you will find our Instagram account. So thank you so much for watching, and
Have
we
a good
will
day.
see you in our next vlog.
Bye. Oh, hang on. So who is the loser? I think Sean.
Why?
Because that's Sean.
No.
We can draw each other.
Okay, I let you draw. It's okay. It's fine. Hey, but later I need to go down.
Just have a makeup remover.
Hey, don't need to draw that. I already have a lot of wrinkles on my forehead.
Hey, that's my artwork. No, I have to turn a little bit. This
How
side.
do I look?
Bye bye now.
Goodbye.